and Bunny kitchen play set. And I got this off Amazon for $29.99 or $25.99. And I can't wait to open it. It just arrived. And these are what it has. I'm not reading this. And I'm not reading this because it's super hard. But they have cuttable foods and so you can cut with a knife.
We already have some of the accessories.
Yeah, so we're probably gonna have like doubles accessories. Okay, so let's start. Oh, getting out. So it has a little teensy cart.
Basket.
Next we have the toys.
Burner or stove top.
Stove thingy, I don't know. And it has stew, soup, cook rice, stir fry, hot pot. This is so crazy. Now, oh, they're in the same package as the other one.
So we're not gonna really open this.
So
We'll put that to the side.
so does this. But y'all they didn't even really see it.
Okay, we'll show them the one that's not open.
Okay, well, let's show at that. So we're gonna show the ones that we already opened at the end of the video. Kettle.
Show it to the camera.
It's the kettle.
Which we're gonna open already. We already opened
Yeah.
the first package we got from Temu.
Yeah.
We have these. Whoa, you're so fast. These from Temu.
And they have a little. That's my favorite one. Let's see, we have the cuttable fruits and vegetables and fish. We already have a knife, but this knife is longer. And we already have a cutting board. Next, we have plates, spoons, and utensils that we already have with more cuttable fruits, vegetables, and another knife. 2 knives there. Next, we have chopsticks. What are these? Forks, spoons, knives, and 2 bowls.
We have ketchup
And
corn oil.
oh, it just wrote mayonnaise. I was gonna say mayonnaise for this one. This is corn oil. This is ketchup. This is the last thing, which is the grill. I thought it was gonna be more.
I thought it was gonna be bigger.
Same, but like bigger.
This is a tiny grill, guys. My phone is bigger than this grill. That's insane. Okay, all right. I guess we'll start with the grill since it's the last one. So open up the grill.
Oh, it has this little. I think this is a print on.
Oh, look. It comes with.
Oh, it comes with shish kebabs. Well, not at least. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they have tweezers with corn. So they have. Let me use this so it can be so small so my hands don't cover it. They have. Baby, I can't. They have details. Details, like grilling details.
Okay.
Let's put that to the side. They have corn, which is probably my favorite. Well, I haven't seen this. Pieces of corn, and they have
Chicken shish kebab.
chicken.
Wings. Shish kebab.
Yep, that sounds yummy. What are these?
I think for more, it's the shish kebab sticks. You put them on.
Well, you could put them on, guys. I didn't even know that. Oh, I never thought these.
Right here.
I never said these things.
Okay, so we'll put to the side.
And then wait, before.
Oh, we gotta put the fire
Wait, should we put it on top or at the
on the bottom.
Wait, oh, it's supposed to be at the bottom.
Yeah, you pop it and.
That was so
Yes.
sick. I want to try to do the other one.
Okay.
Okay, you do the other
Go
two.
ahead. I'm holding it.
Satisfied. Oh, that one unrealistic, but
okay. All right. I'll put on a new grill. All right, next item.
Because this one is really easy to. Oh my gosh, guys! I really want to open this because this is cuttable. So no. Well, I had this before. It was when I was younger, like super younger. I had this like when I was younger. That was super fun. You can literally cut it. I want to test it out with this fish. But not really crazy because
Cool.
oh my god, I need to attach it back to reuse it. I want to try the orange. The orange looks more pleasing. What? It has detail inside. Oh, this one has hair for some reason. Detail inside. That's nice. It has all of these. The mushroom has polka dots on it, which is super unrealistic. Oh, does it have any detail? No. Does it have no detail, guys? But I like the orange. But there's still carrot, and it has like a lot of detail. I had this carrot before. Oh, I meant carrot. No detail. Okay, the pumpkin I really wanted to try.
All right, next item.
Wait. So guys, I want to do the more cutting thing. Cutting food is probably my favorite. Okay, so more nice, but this one is pink. As y'all could see, the other one was this one was white, and this one is pink, and this one is pink, and this one is white. Smart pants. I think for Walmart to be selling this is super nice.
It comes with 2 plates, a fork, a knife, and a soup spoon.
No. Another. That's the utensil knife, and this is the knife.
And it has a cutting board.
What's cutting food?
Cutting fruits and vegetables.
I didn't even see eggs.
And it also comes with some
Fried eggs.
sunny side up eggs. Let's put that on the plate.
Okay. I want to cut the grapes.
Okay, so we got some grapes.
No.
Grapes or
God, this is so hard. Feels like I was like keep cutting your own grape. I don't think that's really unrealistic to cut a grape. You're gonna leave it. Okay, so this is the next one we're gonna be doing. Is this tiny food
foods. We have a chocolate donut.
and whatever this is. I'm not sure what this is.
We have a custard, something like
And we
that. We have a filling cluster. I don't know, custard.
We have a
Broccoli. We
a
have
non-cutting broccoli.
2 buns.
And we have non-cutting carrot. Two buns. You can make a sandwich.
And whatever this is.
Okay, this is the chocolate covered balls.
And
no.
we have
An egg.
an egg.
An egg that's not cuttable. And you have
White frosting donut balls.
and with fries. This is
It's a custard, whatever.
There's a waffle.
What is this?
I think
Fries.
that's
That's
bones.
fries.
Okay.
And we have,
Waffle cone.
I guess. And we have
sausage,
corn,
eggplant,
and we have
2 dumplings.
2 dumplings, yes, and we have a strawberry
and
normal donuts.
Okay, so guys, the next thing I want to open is wait, I want to do it. Oh my god. Okay, well, anyway, so they have a drink. This really doesn't have that much detail. It does not have a hole, so you can't actually drink of it. Next thing we have is a disconnectable sandwich. Is it disconnectable? What's turnable sandwich? I don't know why it's turnable. Well, it's not disconnected, but you gotta scrunch it in. And there's a side cut in half sandwich where you can like cut this in half. And then there's another Subway sandwich. This is the one that, super cute. They have a burger. I wish that burger was disconnectable because it would have been, you could use these to make a double whopper. But it actually has seeds, detail. Popcorn. I don't even know how this is disconnectable. So the popcorn is disconnectable. Like saying you're eating it and you could just take it off and say, oh, I'm finished eating.